सांसद ऋतुव्रत बनर्जी ने संसद में कहा कि फरक्का संधि को नवीनीकृत करने से पहले केंद्र सरकार राज्य से परामर्श करे। उन्होंने कहा कि 2026 में समाप्त होने वाली यह संधि दोनों देशों के बीच गंगा के पानी के बंटवारे को नियंत्रित करती है। तिस्ता नदी पश्चिम बंगाल के 4 जिलों से होकर बहती है और लाखों निवासियों को प्रभावित करती है।
Flowing through Sikkim and West Bengal and subsequently entering into Bangladesh to flow into the Bay of Bengal. Tista is the second largest river in our state and traverses through our districts of Kalimpong, Darjeeling, Jalpaiguri and Cooch Behar before entering Bangladesh. The health of the Tista river is suffering due to the construction of a series of hydropower projects in Sikkim, deforestation at the upper catchment area and climate change. Honorable CM of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, had conveyed a strong reservation that no discussion regarding sharing the Tista water and the Farakka Treaty should be taken up with Bangladesh without the West Bengal government's involvement. The people of West Bengal would be the worst sufferers due to the impact of agreements on water sharing between India and Bangladesh. The government of India is in the process of renewing the Indo-Bangladesh Farakka Treaty 1996, which is to expire in 2026. It has huge implications for the people of our state as far as their livelihoods are concerned, and the water which is diverted at Farakka barrage is creating navigability problems for the Kolkata port. Sir, it is highly necessary to bring into the notice of the Union government that river morphology has changed in the eastern part of India and Bangladesh over many years, which has deprived West Bengal and negatively impacted the water availability in the state. Lakhs of our people have been displaced from their habitation, rendering them homeless and leading to loss of livelihood. The reduced silt load in the Hooghly River has impeded the nourishment of our Sundarban Delta also. Now, our Honorable Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has written to the Honorable Prime Minister thrice, highlighting that the Farakka barrage has caused flooding and erosion in the state of West Bengal in a very big way. Water flow in the Tista has gone down over the years, sir, and it is estimated that if any water is shared with Bangladesh, lakhs of people in northern part of our state will get severely impacted due to inadequate availability of irrigation water. Tista water is also needed for meeting drinking water requirements of the residents in the northern part of Bengal. It is therefore not feasible to share Tista water with Bangladesh.
खबर स्पष्टता के साथ जानने के लिए बने रहिए स्पष्टता न्यूज चैनल पर और स्पष्टता न्यूज चैनल को लाइक, कमेंट और सब्सक्राइब अवश्य